So, here's the part nobody really talks about, and it kind of changes how you see stablecoins. Why does USDT completely own Asia, while USDC basically runs the West? Look, on the surface, people say it's about trust, but wait, that's way too simple. If you actually watch how people trade, the patterns are super different. In Asia, traders want speed. They want Binance order books that move fast. They want deep liquidity on pairs like BTC USDT and ETH USDT. And honestly, it's everywhere. From OKX to Bybit to HTX, USDT is just the default unit. It's like the language of the market there. Even big payment apps experimenting with stablecoins, like Grab's wallet trials in Singapore, tend to lean USDT first because that's what users already hold. But in the West, completely different vibe. You've got Coinbase pushing USDC directly inside their app, Circle building all these regulated on-ramps, and big fintech players, think Stripe, Robinhood, Revolut, picking USDC because it fits neatly into compliance frameworks. So yeah, USDC becomes the comfortable option. It feels cleaner for institutions. And then there's the on-off ramp thing. In Europe or the US, banking partners prefer Circle because it's, very transparent with reserves. In Asia, people rely more on crypto-native rails, Binance Pay, OKX Wallet, Tron USDT transfers, and wow, Tron is huge there. That's a major reason USDT flows dominate the region. If you map out liquidity, it almost looks like two ecosystems. The West is heavily USDC across DeFi, Aave, Uniswap, Sky. Asia leans USDT for day-to-day trading, P2P desks, remittance corridors, all of that. And honestly, the cool part is, both models work. They're just solving different problems. Whether it's Circle pushing stablecoin standards globally or Tether powering fast-moving markets, the world's basically choosing the stablecoin that fits its rhythm. Yeah. Two regions, two habits. One giant stablecoin economy getting stitched together. All right, that's it for today. Stay safe, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.